What's good, everybody? I got a super ghetto mount to get some POV, so I'm sorry if it shakes or it looks a little funny. I had ordered a whole kit that came with a chest mount and a head mount for the filming, but neither one of them work at all, so I had to make my own. So let's see how well this is. I don't know how audio or the video will come out, but this is the first official time taking the M5 out in what is somewhat fall time. 77 degrees outside versus 115 what it's been for months. So sheesh, this thing be creaking on the interior. I've been enjoying the black E39 M5. That car is pretty terrible to drive, but I still find enjoyment and some entertainment out of that, surprisingly. Suspension is terrible in that car. Full refresh is needed. Every time you hit a bump, you can hear the shocks compressing, you can hear air squeaking, everything. That thing's terrible. Honestly, I don't want to get caught at a light because I don't want to be seen like this. It's that bad. So we're gonna hopefully catch this. Should be pretty dull traffic. It's 2:30 in the morning, like I said. So we'll see. These cars are fun, but after having this and the F80 plus another E39 M5, everything just seems so slow. I'm at the point now where I want something fast. But one of these cars is getting supercharged. For sure, 100%, no questions. I haven't taken this route in a minute. I always used to drive this for no reason, just to drive. I would always take my other silver E39, the one that I did regrettably sell. I am talking to that owner. I'm trying to get that car back. I offered him to trade this one with some cash on top hit from his end to get the other one back. It's just kind of stupid, but honestly, I missed that car a bunch, and the interior was crazy. Having two Heritage cars, I can't stand Heritage. I hate seeing any car with Heritage. Roads are hella bumpy. I'll try to hold it still, but driving one hand, holding on these bumpy ass roads, it don't work too well. This car sounds amazing with the exhaust. It's kind of loud. I like it to be maybe a little quieter, but other than that, this thing sounds amazing. On my analytics, it shows that wide variety of the people that view my channel watch E39 M5 restorations, including myself. I love that channel. A great inspiration for the stuff I'm trying to do and future content. I would love to have very in-depth videos like that, including full rebuilds, you know, going through projects, making everything perfect. Huge inspiration and huge like mindset that I want to have, as well as other people have been watching Tedward, which is also a great inspiration for these POV videos, especially in the E39 M5. I love watching his. I literally just watched it last night, and I have been on his channel for quite some time. I think before I even got my first E39 M5, I watched his POV video, and it kind of got me inspired to get one myself. So huge inspirations there. And then of course E39 source, shout out to Ryan. I bought parts off him for my other Titan Silver, and of course the things he does with E39 M5s and as just a shop in general, extremely top of the line quality work. Huge inspiration as well from all three of them. That would, in the right future, I really want this channel to be, you know, like all three of those combined. So pretty much just a channel where you guys support me and you guys enjoy and stay for what I bring to the channel. Definitely tons of M cars to come, tons of content, driving, videos with the homies. I'm trying to be Adam LZ, Danny Duncan, Tedward, E39 M5 source, E39 source all in one. And then yeah, we'll go from there. A little bit of everybody. The main people I watch are huge inspirations, and I would love to implement concepts and designs into the channel. Not saying I'm trying to be anybody, not saying that I'm trying to do the exact same content, but those are just people I've looked up to and I've watched for years and hopefully years to come. Sheesh, it's already 3:30 in the morning. We're gonna go ahead and take this one home and end it, boys. I appreciate anybody who stayed watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you show support. Really means a lot. So I'll see you in the next one.